So the ingredients are yogurt, about 2.5 to 3 cups. Here we have mint, coriander, both are 1 tablespoon, and ginger, 1 inch piece, and green chilies, 2 green chilies chopped, and a mortar and pestle. So we are going to add all of them to the mortar and pestle, and then we are going to crush it. And we are also going to add about 5 teaspoons of sugar to it. You may add according to your taste, but we recommend to add 5 teaspoons at first, depending upon the quantity of the yogurt and its sourness. So this is the minty coriander raita, recommended for biryanis and all types of pulaus, but you can prepare it in a normal casual way also, as a normal raita, replacement for bundi raita. It goes really well with all types of pulaus and biryanis. So here you can see it has been wet and nicely crushed. Now we are going to add this to the curd or yogurt, and then mix it up with some spices. You can see the link for the biryani in the left side and the fried onion on the right side. So here we have some spices. Those were salt according to your taste, black salt 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon, chaat masala powder 1/4 teaspoon, and cumin seed powder 1/4 teaspoon. Those were the 5 ingredients. You may skip or add ingredients or spices according to your taste. So now our raita is ready. Just mix it up little bit, and make sure you taste the raita for the sugar level and the salt levels.